Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scribe Me Quick Designs, and it's time for my 4th annual Jolly Holidays event. Jolly Holidays was started as a way for me to help work with you and teach you how to put together 5 holiday projects. The good thing is you can take the skills that I teach you making these projects and apply them to other projects that you want to create during the holidays or really even year-round. So how does this work? I host a live classroom this year. It's on November the 9th. It's a Saturday. It'll be from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time. And you get the design space cut files for all of the 5 projects. You get a detailed supply list so you can go ahead and gather up your supplies and go ahead and prep everything. Then on November the 9th, we'll be live in a private Facebook group. You get to watch me put the projects together while you craft from the comfort of your own home, putting the same projects together. I share a lot of tips and techniques. It's a great learning experience for both beginners and advanced people. Enjoy having 5 projects completed all in one day. Now, you get the detailed supply list. You get the design space cut files. All the cut files are from images that are in Cricut Design Space, Cricut Access. If you're not a Cricut Access subscriber, you can just sign up for 1 month and be able to have all the cut files that you need for this Jolly Holidays. Now, let's talk about the 5 projects. So, we're going to do a hot cocoa station. Yes, it's super fun. We're going to be making mugs and a sign and all the little things that you would want to have in your hot cocoa station to help add that special holiday cheer. The next project that we're going to be working on is something you guys always ask me about. How can I make tags? This year we're making some holiday tags using Cricut's foil acetate for an added twist. Also, there's going to be 3 bag toppers that are 3-dimensional. Yes, so you can tie them onto your packages. It's super fun, and I'm going to show you how to make those. Then we'll also be making 4 different gift card holders. So those gift card holders are perfect for those gift cards because you've got those hard to buy for people that all they ever ask for is a gift card, or for teachers or things like that to give them a little treat during the holidays. So we're going to be 4 different gift card holders. The next project that we're going to be doing is we're going to do some sassy holiday wine glasses. These are stemless glasses in a decorative box that you can put them in to give as a gift if you want to do that. And then the last project, we're going to do something, I'm calling this Twice the Fun Holiday Pillow. So on the front side of the pillow, we're going to put a holiday saying, you know, for Christmas, that type of thing. It says Merry Everything. But on the flip side, we're going to put, it says Let's Cuddle. So this will be great all year round or for Valentine's Day coming up, that type of thing. So you'll get a lot of use out of this one project. So we're going to be using permanent Cricut vinyl. We're going to be using foil acetate. We're going to be using paper crafting. We're going to be doing some working on round glass objects. And we're going to be using some iron-on. So it kind of gives you a good feel for all different types of materials that you can use with the Cricut to be able to make some really fun holiday projects. So I hope you'll join me. The registration link is where you see this video posted. You get all 5 project classes for only $35, and that is a heck of a deal because normally one class is $35. So I hope you'll join me. If you can't make the whole day on November the 9th, I know our lives are busy, what I do is that those classes get recorded live while we're doing the class, but then a couple of days after that, you get access to the recorded class videos in my private classroom so that you can go watch them at your leisure. Maybe you had to leave and go do something else during the day on Saturday. Don't worry. Still sign up for Jolly Holidays. Maybe you can't set aside the day. You can still join us in watching the recorded classes once the event is over. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'd so look forward to having you again, and I know you guys are going to have a jolly good time joining me on Saturday, November the 9th.